Hello, in this video I want to have a quick discussion about what was included within the 0.2.0 release of the Cake.VsCode.Recipe. So in this release, there's a couple of things that were addressed. The first was a bug that was identified by Matthias Carlson. Thank you very much for that. And there was an improvement which was added by Kim Nordmo. So the first one, let's look at the bug to start with. So the bug was with regard to the generation of the messages that are sent out to Twitter or to Gitter when a release of a VS Code extension was passed. So what was noted was that there was an extra comma within the messages that were sent out. So this came up as a result of the work that Matthias and I have been doing on a clip image extension. And as part of our release process for that extension, we noticed that the parameter was including an extra comma. So that was a quick fix. The second one was an earlier improvement that was made by Kim Nordmo. It basically allows the inclusion of the release notes for a VS Code extension that you're publishing using the recipe to include information about the release into the release notes that go into the chocolate package. So Cake.VsCode.Recipe includes a couple of different functionalities, one of which is to also bundle and publish a chocolate package that is the VS Code extension. So part of that process includes the creation or populating of the release notes, and that's exactly what Kim's added into this release. So if you are setting the parameter, which is to should download milestone release notes, or you should download the full release notes, then when that file is created on the file system, they will be added into the release notes section of the chocolate new spec file. So that's all that we have that was included in this release. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out on Twitter. The handle is below me here, or create an issue on the GitHub repository. Thank you very much.